Welcome to our channel. If you want to maximize trial offers that come bundled with hardware purchases, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure you claim all digital benefits included with your new devices. Step 1. Before purchasing hardware like computers, tablets, smartphones, or smart home devices, research what software or service trials are currently bundled with different products. Step 2. When shopping, ask sales representatives about included trial offers, as these benefits are sometimes not prominently advertised but can add significant value to your purchase. Step 3. Keep all packaging materials from your hardware purchase, as trial offer codes and redemption instructions are often printed on inserts, box flaps, or protective wrapping. Step 4. Register your new hardware on the manufacturer's website within the specified time frame, as this is often required to unlock trial offers even if redemption codes are provided. Step 5. Locate the trial redemption instructions, which may be in the Quick Start Guide, on a separate promotional card or sent via email after product registration. Step 6. Visit the redemption website using the link or code provided with your hardware, ensuring you redeem offers before they expire, as most have time limits from purchase date. Step 7. Create or link accounts with the trial services as required, following the activation process completely to ensure your free period is properly applied. Step 8. Document all trials you've activated from your hardware purchase, including expiration dates, to decide which services to continue and which to cancel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.